Guys, Safi Pegasus here, coming at you guys with a one card Infernity U-Lock combo. Let's start. Step 1, normal summon Armageddon Knight. Active effect, send Mali, banish Mali, summon another copy. You're going to link these two off into our Isolde. Activate Isolde's effect, sending 4 equips from deck. Special summon Armageddon Knight, active effect, dump Eris. Eris will search Archfiend. Next we're going to link 3 into Summon Sork. Summon Sork is going to give the opponent the Infernity Archfiend. Next we're going to use the copy of Mali Engrave, banish. Special summon another one. Next we're going to use Summon Sork to special summon a Fiend or a Warrior from deck. You're going to have to special summon a tuner for this combo. I do prefer Infernity Avenger, given the fact that it is an Infernity card, so you can bring it back with your Mirage or the spell card. But this one's fine for now. Synchro 7 into Yazi. Effective Yazi, pop pop. Special summon a Mare from deck. Effective Mare, summon 3 tokens. Next we're gonna link 2 into our Cerberus, into our Phoenix. Link 4 into Firewall. Next we're gonna use Firewall's effect to bounce Archfiend in the hand. Next we're just going to link off the Phoenix for Mermaid. We're not going to use Mermaid's effect, we're just going to trigger Firewall, special summon Archfiend. Archfiend will search out our Necromancer. We're going to link 2 into Underclock. Effective Firewall to special summon. Effective Necromancer, special summon our Archfiend. Effective Archfiend, search another copy. I'm gonna now link 3 into Unicorn. Effective Firewall, special summon the Necromancer. We're just gonna link this level 1 token off for a Link Rebo. We'll use the other Necromancer's effect, special summoning the Archfiend. Archfiend will trigger searching the Mirage from deck. Next, we're going to activate the Sword from Grave. We do this to banish the Armageddon Knight for a Levier play. So we're going to banish these two. We're going to overlay these for Levier. Effective Levier. Special summon our Armageddon Knight. Effect will dump Zephyros. Next, we're gonna link 3 into our Trigate Wizard. Effective Firewall, summoning Mirage. We're gonna set 1. Effective Mirage, attribute itself. Special summon our Archfiend and Necromancer. Archfiend will trigger, searching out Launcher. I'll play that. Link 2 into Underclock. Effective Launcher. Special summon 2. These two. Effective Archfiend search. Barrier. We're gonna now link 4 into our Gumblar Dragon. Gumblar will use the effect to rip 2 since it's extra linked. Effect of Necromancer, special summon Archfiend. Effect, search. Search Outbreak. Next, we're going to activate the Zephyros that we pitched earlier. We're going to bounce back the Armageddon Knight so we can utilize its search one more time. And when we link these two off, for Phoenix, we get a face-up attack position Infernity monster on field for Barrier. And effect to search. Alright, so this one card produced a U-Lock, Gumblar for 2, 2 breaks, and a single barrier. So that's 2 negates, -2 from their hand, 2 pops. They are not getting out of this one. I'm actually trying to see if I can search a 3rd break and maybe establish a Cerberus. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions for the combo, like anything I could have done differently. Thanks for watching.